To post ACH payments in QuickBooks 2025, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and setup. You will need to have the QuickBooks Administrator role and have set up your ACH payments through a payment processor. First, navigate to the banking section in QuickBooks and select the account you want to post the ACH payment to. Click on the Make Deposits option and choose the account you want to deposit the funds into. Next, select the date of the deposit and add any additional information required, such as the payment method and reference number. In the Deposit section, add the customer or vendor who made the payment and the amount of the payment. You can also add multiple payments at once by clicking the Add Multiple Deposits button. This will allow you to add multiple customers or vendors and their corresponding payment amounts. Once you have added all the payments, click Save and Close. The ACH payments will then be posted to the selected account and will be reflected in your QuickBooks balance. Best practices include regularly reconciling your QuickBooks account with your bank statement to ensure accuracy and completeness of your financial records. It is also essential to keep your QuickBooks software up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently post ACH payments in QuickBooks 2025 and maintain accurate financial records for your business.